Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Rob Menghini from Lowborn Classic Vehicles. Here is my new Honda CBX 1000Z, which has been fully restored to concourse condition. It's a 1979 model and it's probably one of the finest ones currently available. You cannot fault it in any way. It's absolutely stunning. I had one of these last year and regretted selling it. That was in silver, but to be honest, I think this candy red is the business. Really is stunning and beautiful in every way. It's as if it's just left the showroom. I'm toying with the idea of getting a pressed alloy black plate. I know it's illegal, but I think they look great. As you can see, oh my god. I'll just walk around and show you it. The finish is second to none. Comes with the engine bars, which I quite like actually. Brand new exhausts. And it's showing 976 miles since the full concourse restoration. It runs like a Swiss watch and it's very, very smooth. Well, I think it's one of the most beautiful looking bikes from the 80s. Very well impressed with this. What a beautiful thing. I haven't started it up today, but it's quite a warm day and I don't think it will need choke or anything. Let's put the fuel on, I think. It's got inline filter. The fuel is just straight down, very sensible. The choke's here, but I don't think I'll need it. I'll give it a go. Might need a bit. Painted the ends red because I'm a bit silly like that. One day I might grow up. There's absolutely no rattles or anything. I don't know if you can hear this, but oh my god, it's just like a Swiss watch. Silky smooth. Everything works, being Honda. Not that one, this one. It's just a masterpiece. I don't know what you guys think, but please leave comments. Subscribe to my channel and like it, and there will be more videos to come. Hope you enjoyed looking at this beautiful bike.